I've been spending 3 hours every week just drafting client reports, but today I finally trained an AI agent how to do the entire thing for me. Most chatbots just talk to you, but this is the first platform I found that actually handles complex professional tasks by learning your specific documents and your exact style. Let's dive into this. This is Panofy, and Panofy is the AI agent platform that handles your professional tasks best because it doesn't rely on generic prompts and uses your own data. Now, compared to other chatbots out there, this will actually learn your documents rather than going ahead and guessing based on what you input. You can upload PDFs, manuals, or knowledge bases in a single pass to give your agent instant domain expertise. And unlike other platforms out there, there is no code or prompt engineering loops required just to get what you want. So to get started with this, all we need to do is select new agent, and then we fill out what we need. So we need a market report analyst. We can choose Panofy Air or Panofy Pro. Air will be a lot faster and lightweight, and then Pro will be higher performance and for complex tasks. And then for our training input, which is optional, we've said you're a senior market analyst specializing in executive summaries for C-level executives and business decision makers. Your task is to analyze uploaded market reports and produce clear, structured, and professional summaries. We've also uploaded our file at the bottom there, and then all we need to do is press submit. Now, once your agent is trained, it remembers your context, style, and goals for every future session. And this way, you don't have to go back and forth repeating yourself like you would do with other platforms out there. This way, you're using fewer tokens and you're getting better results. Your agent actually gets smarter every time you use it as well because it's learning from your interactions. So this basically builds a team of specialized experts for your workflow, and they always learn from you. So you basically become a CEO that can easily train your staff, but your staff are all AI agents. This is far cheaper than the alternative, whereas employing a market report analyst could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. So let's actually use this agent here. What we've done is tagged the document we already uploaded, and we've said analyze this market report and generate a professional executive summary following the trained framework. And instantly it starts thinking and reading the document again. It's given us a confirmation, so we're going to confirm that execution with the plan it's already laid out. And then you can see all of the tasks working step by step to execute what we want here. And at the bottom, this is where we have our executive summary. So we can open this directly in the platform and give it a read. You can see here, everything looks fantastic. The writing is perfect, and we can see it's actually gone through every single part of our document and summarized it in a good way for our executive C-suite. Now, if we want to find that again, we can actually just go to the history on the right here and click that, and we'll find that exact task. We can also turn on sharing, and we can even list it on the market. Now, if we want to check out our usage, we can just go to the credit details section, and it's going to show us all of the credits we've used. Now, a lot of other platforms won't do this, but here you can see exactly what you're getting and how many credits it's costing. We can also see the pricing here is incredibly fair. We have the free package here in which you do get 300 daily bonus points, 1 concurrent task, and 10 gigabyte of storage. And then for just $10 per month, you can actually get 15,000 monthly points, 500 daily bonus points, 2 concurrent tasks, and 50 gigabyte storage, as well as access to Air and the Pro version. And then if you're more on the enterprise level and you're using this at scale, then for just $160 per month, you can get 200K monthly points, 2,000 daily bonus points, 10 concurrent tasks, and 1 terabyte of storage, as well as access to the Air and Pro features. Now, you heard me talk about the marketplace here. So what exactly is the Panofy Agent Marketplace? Here, you aren't just limited to your own agents. You can access a community-built library of experts in the Panofy Marketplace. Now, of course, you can publish your own agents for others to use, but you can also find an agent that is good for you. So let's say you want to review a contract. There is Contract Review Agent right here. We can go ahead and click that. We can enter the workspace, and then we immediately have access to this agent. From there, we could upload whatever contract we need and then get a review from this trained agent. Now, if you're a Plus user, you can actually earn a Plus month coupon for every agent you publish, up to 5 coupons total. So if you're looking to use this for free, all you got to do is make some agents. And if you're helping the community, you're actually going to get a bunch of tokens for that. And I really like what they've done here because this really shows that there is a massive scaling ecosystem that will only grow over time. So stop wasting time on repetitive tasks and start training your expert agent at Panofy.ai. If you sign up right now, you actually get 10,000 free credits plus a 7-day Panofy Plus trial. Also, for a very limited time, if you subscribe for 1 month of Plus, you actually get 12 months free. That's easily their best deal here. And don't forget to follow Panofy AI on X for the latest updates. I will leave links down below in the description, but that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.